Okay guys, I would like to show you one new thing that I really needed. If you would like to record two videos in two different places, for example, you want to add your camera source in one video and then you would like to add the desktop in another video. So I have a clean video for the desktop and I have another video that is full screen for my camera in another file in the same time with one click. This is really important for one that have a capture card, you have a camera that you can stream it directly, so you can edit it from the Adobe Premiere. You just want to add one clip on top of the other one, so you can just short it down and then just put it somewhere, anywhere, right? After I search for a lot of videos, I will just show you the easy way and the fastest, and it works for me. So okay, let's do it. First of all, you have to go to this website that I will gonna leave it in the description, so you can just click it and go download it direct. So we press download, so it shows you if you have Mac, if you have Linux, if you have Windows. This is the manual way, this is the installer that it will be automatically, so we need it to be easier. Okay, and just open it, of course, double click, it will go automatically to the destination. Yes, of course. Okay, install, finish. That's it. It's really simple. Let's go to the application, add, and then I would like to add my camera, so I will stream from my camera to one clip and the other one is the desktop to another clip, so we have two clips, video capture, and then double click it, and then of course from here you're gonna choose. If you have a capture card, you will choose the capture card. If you have a camera that it's in streaming mode, of course you have to fix the setting from the camera to streaming mode, then you will choose it, and then everything the same except here, use custom audio device. I just use the microphone of the camera. Okay, and then filters, just click from the source that you want to do. If you want to have record for the camera alone in full screen, of course, then you will just choose the video capture. If you would like to have the video for the desktop record, so you will gonna choose the other one, so it's up to you. So I will choose to have my video, the full screen video from the camera direct to another split video. So if you like to record your desktop so clear without anything, you can just put it in the side, so you will have a clean video from your desktop recording, plus you will have the other video file for your camera, or you can just leave it as it is and just drag this one up so it's overlay, so it's behind. So we're gonna do filters and we're gonna do plus. We'll just add source record. If you don't have it, it means you didn't install it from here. After you add a source record, you will just go here and then you will choose recording or streaming, whatever you want. What do you choose? For me, I want to record my video, and then where you would like to leave it. For me, I choose another folder and I rename it cam source, so I know my videos is separate in two different places. And then here, if you delete it totally and you just put a name, it will record one file, and then when you record the next one, it will delete the old one. That's why you have to leave these marks. You can just here change whatever the name you want. You can just write anything. I just write cam and I leave it here. I leave it MKV because if you have something wrong, the application closed by itself, you didn't lose what you record. That's why you have to leave it MKV. And I change here different audio, I make it track number 2, and the source is the source of the camera, the video capture device. Then I choose the encoder NVENC if you have a graphic card. If you have a strong processor but you don't have a graphic card, then you will have to choose the X264 for the processor. And then the rate control is VBR. This is the best one that we are using also for Adobe Premiere, so it will gonna be the same, and this is the same max quality and the profile is high. That's it. You just close. Now you will have the best quality of everything, and then you just write close. Everything now is set. The last thing we will gonna fix is your sound. You just have to go here to any one of this sound and then advanced audio properties. I like to record in mono because it gives you a clear sound. If you are recording instrument, if you are recording the desktop for gaming or something, because stereo mode is better for surround sound. So here is the delay. If you have any delay to your sound to the camera, you just add whatever you want and then you will see how it is reacting. Okay, fix it. Here is how you want your tracks. Normally it goes to all, but I want to have one track in each file, not all of them in the same time. So I choose here my camera number, the track number 1, and then the mic number 2, and then the desktop is 3, and then I take out all the rest. Okay, so let's go now to check, and this is the result. Of course, it's not like the same like the camera, but it's good enough. And here is the other file with the sound that we want. If you don't hear nothing, you will just go here, audio, and then audio track, and then you choose the other one. Okay, now I need to add the two videos that I have, that they are in the same name, the same everything, but they are in two different files. So I'll just click open, and then I will just drag it over here. I would like to lift this one up and this one down, and here this one goes here, and let's see how it look like. So we're gonna match the wave. You can see here the wave is semi-match, it's almost, and let's find out which one is the good sound, and we will gonna delete the rest. Now I find what is the best sound. This is the one, so I need to delete this one. First I will make unlink, and here again unlink, and that's it. This is the best sound, and here I am. I'm having my tutorial. I can fix my camera in the middle as I want. At the same time, you can see it's synchronized. It's perfect. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you need anything, please ask me.